Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to explain what the Whoopsie process is in Ubuntu, why it's running in the background, and how to safely disable or remove it if you want to. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. So first, what is the Whoopsie process? Whoopsie is a background service in Ubuntu that sends crash reports and error logs to Canonical, the company behind Ubuntu, to help improve system stability. It's part of the crash reporting system that usually starts automatically whenever your system boots. Although it's useful for diagnostics, some users prefer to disable it for privacy reasons or to reduce background resource usage. So now, if you just want to stop it from running in the background, the safest way is to disable the service without uninstalling it. So just simply open your terminal and paste the simple command or write it down, which you can see right over here. Now hit enter. So this command prevents the Whoopsie service from starting automatically during boot. So just simply hit enter and enter your password. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now Whoopsie is disabled from starting up, and the next thing that we have to do is we have to stop the service immediately without waiting for a reboot. So paste this simple command or write it down and then hit enter. And once we do that, the service is stopped, as you can see right over here. Now let's move on to the second method. So if you're sure you don't need it, you can completely remove it from your system as well. So what you have to do is just simply paste the simple command, which you can see right over here, or you can copy it from the description box as well. So what this command will do is it'll uninstall the Whoopsie crash reporting tool entirely from Ubuntu. So just simply use this command and the service will be removed completely. Now once you have done that, it's always a good idea to run auto remove afterward to clean up any unused files. So for that, just simply paste this command and hit enter, and that will scan any remaining files. And if you don't want to disable or uninstall it but want to block it from sending data to the company, you can change its configuration. So it's a very easy process. All you have to do is simply copy the simple command and paste it and then hit enter. So over here we are going to change a few things in the terminal-based editor. So what you have to do is once the editor is open, you simply paste this line of command, as you can see right over here. Now this will tell Whoopsie not to send any crash reports, even if the service is running. So once you have pasted this, all you have to do is just simply press Ctrl+O on your keyboard, then hit enter. And after that, just simply press Ctrl+X to exit the editor. And lastly, just restart the service. And for that, just simply paste this command right over here and then hit enter. And that's it. Your Ubuntu system is now free of the Whoopsie process, or at least it's no longer sending crash reports. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.